Is the UV grip case from SUPCASE going to be worth it for the new iPhone Air? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, you do get full lens protection for that new Air design, which is going to be the single lens design. You can see right here that there is a piece that pops out right over that lens area. So if you do drop your phone camera lens side down, it'll actually hit that piece protecting the lens. The case is also MagSafe, so going to be compatible with any wireless charging or MagSafe accessories. And that MagSafe ring does pop out into a kickstand. So you can see that right there pops out into a kickstand. You get your vertical and also your horizontal viewing with that. And the back also has a nice rugged material finish, so it's going to be great for any shock absorption. Flipping it over to the screen side, you do get raised edges right here too, so a little bit more protection for your screen. You can see that the edges do come over that screen right here. So again, you drop your phone screen side down, you have a lot more protection there too. The UV grip also comes equipped with bumpers on each end of the case. So you can see right here, these do pop out a lot more on each corner. So if you drop your phone on the sides or top or bottom and it hits those edges first, it'll actually absorb that shock and go straight to those corners. And you do get a special one right here in the top left, and that's gonna be a full metal one. That's usually because the phone's motherboard is in that area. So that's the most important part of the phone. So obviously you would want more protection, and that's exactly what that's gonna do. And one more feature to highlight on the UV grip is gonna be the built-in camera action button. So as you know, on the 16s, there was a camera action button. Well, on the 17s and the iPhone Air, there's gonna be a camera action button too. And the UV grip does have a custom one built in right there, so you're gonna be able to access your camera or whatever features you wanna use built into the iPhone Air too. Overall though, I think the UV grip is gonna be a great case for the new iPhone Air. Has everything you need when it comes to protection, really convenient design and features as well. This is definitely gonna be a great daily case in my opinion.